Stop scrolling and look at this. One of these is 100% AI generated, the other is real. Can you guess which? Don't scroll. The answer will shock you. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to create your own AI influencer. And trust me, it's easier than you think. Stick around, because by the end, you'll know how to make an influencer that's almost indistinguishable from real life. First of all, we need to create our own model. To do that, head over to Pinterest and search for influencer models. Here, you will see a lot of models. All you have to do is select the one you like and download the image. Next, head over to a website called Love Art AI. Don't worry about the websites mentioned in this video, because all the links will be provided in the description. On this platform, you get 30 free credits every day, which is more than enough for our work. Click on the plus icon, then click on Image Generator. Upload the image we just downloaded from Pinterest, make sure to select Nano Banana Pro, set the image to 2K, and change the aspect ratio to 3:4. Now write the prompt provided in the description below and click Generate. Just like that, we have our very own AI influencer. Next, let's move on to the main task, giving the image motion. We can make her dance, jump, lip sync, or do anything we like. For this video, go to Mixkit website and look for a video you want your character to recreate, then download it. Now I have this video and I want my influencer to replicate the actions of this video. Once you have the video, head over to Frame Extractor and upload it. Adjust the video to the frame you like and set the number of frames to 1, then click Extract. Once the extraction is complete, click Download. Now, go back to Love Art AI and upload both images, the image of your model and the frame you just downloaded. Type the prompt. Image 1 should be dressing and posing as image 2. Your final image is now ready. Next, head over to KIE AI and sign in with your Google account. Click on API Markets, scroll down, and select Kling 2.6 Motion Control. Remove the default image and upload your AI influencer. Then, remove the default video and upload the video you downloaded. Delete the default prompt and set the resolution to 720p, which is more than enough. Click Run, and it will start creating your video. Once it's done, click Download. As you can see, the result looks very realistic, and the motion is smooth. Now it's time for you to create yours. Make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to get more content like this.